Hi everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do another plan with me. So I used digital paper, as you can see. I printed it. I got this off Etsy, and I wanted to use some of the pages from my planner that I hadn't used. So I went to an old spread and I decided that I can use this for a recipe. So I'm showing you my planner at the moment. It's very colorful and I don't like all the colors and stars, so I'm going to go and white out all the little stars, and then I will stick my adhesive paper onto the boxes, cover up everything, because this is a recipe plan with me video. So if you have pages that you don't use, you can do this. Now this is the washi tape I'm going to use. I bought this off Amazon. I really like it, and I'm also going to use some skinny washi tape. At the moment I wasn't that sure which one I'm going to use, but you will see I only used 2 out of the 3 skinny washi tapes, and I'm going to use the wide washi tape around the edges, and there was a bit that didn't go on well, and I'm not that bothered about that, so I just stuck another piece on top. You can't really tell the difference. I can't anyway. So then I stuck my adhesive paper. I'm not too bothered that you can actually see a little bit of the boxes underneath, but that's fine. If you don't want to, you can stick layers of adhesive paper, but I don't worry about that. Now I had cut my big adhesive sheet. As you can see, I'm pointing to it, that it was short. So luckily I had saved to the piece I had cut off, and then I stuck it. But I'm not happy with the line I can see, which is why I'm going to use some skinny tape to cover. And I'm just showing you my 2 options. And this is the pen I'm going to use to start writing. I'll link it down below in the description box. I got this off Amazon, and it has a thin nib, but not too thin. I don't like writing very thin, using very thin nibs, but you can see that I'm trying to show you how thin it is, but it's not working. So you'll see how it writes in a minute though. So I used the skinny washi tape to cover up that line, and then I also used a different skinny washi tape to underline my ingredients and my method. This is a Nutella biscuit recipe, and I'm going through all the ingredients you need. I shared this as a video, so as a cook with me video. I'll link that somewhere on this video so you can check it out. And then I wrote down the method, what you need. I put numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, how to cook this. It's a very simple recipe, and it is really yummy, and you should try it out. And then at the bottom I have written Kali Orexi, which in Greek means bon appetit. I'm from Greece, guys. I don't know if I've said that. So that's how I finished off my recipe. And so it doesn't really matter that there are like imperfections. Well, it doesn't matter to me. I don't really mind that you can see a little bit of the wide washi tape underneath. It's all fine. It doesn't matter. This is the full spread, and I think you can see my trousers. No, you can't. But yeah, this is what the full spread looks like. This is an idea. You could do this if you have pages you haven't used. You could just write a recipe or something you want to keep. And I'm going to put, because I have more pages that I haven't used, I'm going to write a few more recipes, and then have a section in my planner, my new planner, where it's just my favorite recipes. So here you can see the spread in my planner, and I'm happy with it. I know it has nothing to do with the recipe. It's all floral, but I like florals and I like Nutella biscuits, and that's how I planned my recipe. I wrote it down. So this is the end of the Plan With Me video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Trying to Grow. It would be great if you did. And yeah, they're my trousers. See you later. Stay safe. Bye.